Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out how you can either take files from your MetaQuest 3 and 3S to a Mac computer, or you can get files from your Mac computer and put them on a MetaQuest 3 or 3S. Now in order to do this, you do need a program, something like Android File Transfer. That's the one I'm going to be using here, or something similar that allows an Android device such as your MetaQuest to actually connect and interact with your Mac. But once you have that downloaded or something similar, what you are going to want to do is you're going to want to obviously plug your headset into your MetaQuest, and you'll see at the top where it says USB detected. You need to click on that to allow that to connect. And then normally if you're using Android File Transfer, it will just show up for you right onto your desktop. Let's just blow this up a little bit here. And this is where you can access all the different folders and files on your MetaQuest. So just for example, real quick, you can see I have the Oculus folder open. If you want to access your video shots, like your screen records or your screenshots, this is where you can access those. You can easily just select them, click and drag them to your desktop or to any folder that you want to transfer them to. Or for some apps, they allow you to use your own images, your own files, depending on what it is. For like Vermilion or for the Pencil app, you can use your own images for references. And so you can go into the downloads or documents, add them in there, and they can be accessed by those apps from those folders. On Vermilion, you can also export your paintings, and they show up here in the Downloads app, so I can easily access them there as well. So if you're looking to get files from your Quest 3 or onto your Quest 3 or 3S using a Mac, use something like this, and this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure you check out my other MetaQuest tips, and we'll see you next time here on True North VR.